What's up, people? Today, I'm doing an unboxing on a heavy-duty air compressor. Looks like it's a dual air compressor. It's from Tozalazz. I've never heard of this company. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna check it out and see exactly how well this works. So, first things first, let's get out our blade. Nice nylon bag. This is what it looks like so far. Looks kind of like my Moab dual air compressor. It's got almost the same exact setup. Take this out real fast. Actually got, here's the cable. It's pretty long actually. Nice bag. 4x4 off-road. Okay, let's see what else it's got with it. Has a couple of other attachments that it comes with in case you are, you need to fill up a football, basketball, soccer ball, etc. Air compressor instruction manual on the back. Very, very similar to the one I have already. So it's got a locking, so you don't have to screw that on. Although this one is kind of weird. This one screws on. I guess if you want to do the short version, you can pop this off. Let's move it over to the Jeep and test it out. All right, the first thing you're gonna need to do is remove all the zip ties, and be careful doing so. Get all the zip ties off and get everything unpacked. Works off your car battery, so you're gonna get the hood open. $37. So let's take some air pressure out. Man, I hope this works, because if this thing doesn't work, this is going to be a real pain in the ass. $25.5. That's where we're at right now. 25.5, and we got to get up to 37. I'm not taking it all the way down, but we're going to test this out and see how quick it can get it right back up. All right. Lay my cables out. Real easy to attach this portion. Just slide it back like that, and then lock it in. Oh, good to go. Screw this on, see what the pressure says on here. Where's the PSI? All right. Just around 25. Okay. Most important part, turn the vehicle on first. Connect the battery terminal to hot. Should be good to go. pressure. Yeah, a long way to go. Almost there, 35. 38.5. The one thing I noticed is that the pressure, the valve, the gauge is a little off. Let me shut this down real fast. Let me bring this over to you. This is off by a lot. The PSI was shooting all the way up to 75, and it should have been down in the 30 range, but I don't know, maybe they sell a replacement for this thing. I'll have to look online. The gauge is off, but I also noticed on my other one, it's off too, so when you're in a jam, you're just gonna have to keep taking it off and retesting it, but it works, and it works quickly. 25 to 38 and a half within, I don't know, what did you say, less than 30 seconds, back and forth. I wasn't counting, but pretty darn quick. Now I have to take the tire back down to 37, so. That's it, it works. Longevity-wise, I don't know how long it's gonna last. We'll have to come back later on if there's any problems with it. But so far, hey, right out of the box, this thing works really well. So I'll have a link down in the description for this particular dual air pump. If you have any questions for me, shoot me a message down below. Don't forget to click the like button, click the subscribe button. And last but not least, you guys and girls will be safe. That's all I got. I'm out.